Looking now backwards, I see there were many signs, but I sort of ignored them. And that's a mistake most people make. Because COVID, the signs like a cough here, breathlessness there when you climb the stairs, are signs which can just be the normal cough. For me, dizziness, I was feeling quite a bit of dizziness, loss of breath, are also signs which I suffer from time to time because of my underlying conditions.